In this video, we are going to solve some problems in surface areas and volumes. First problem, the formula to find curved surface area of a cone of radius r, height h and slant height L is option A CSA equal to pi RL, option B CSA equal to 2 pi into r plus L, option C CSA equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, option D CSA equal to pi r square h by 3. This question is asked in Model Paper 2 by KSEEB. We know that curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. So option A is correct answer. Question 2. Write the formula to find curved surface area of frustum of a cone. Answer CSA equal to pi into R1 plus R2 into L. You can get this question in March 2019 annual examination question paper. Problem 3. The faces of two cubes of volume 64 cm cube each are joined together to form a cuboid. Find the total surface area of the cuboid. Let us draw figure. In this figure, two cubes of volume 64 cm cube are joined together to form a cuboid. Here volume of cube V is equal to 64 cm cube. Length of the cuboid has to be calculated. Here we have to calculate total surface area of cuboid also. V equal to A cube, therefore 64 equal to A cube, that is A cube is equal to 4 cube. Therefore, A is equal to 4 cm. Here L is given by AI plus BI, that is A plus A. Therefore, L is equal to 4 plus 4. Therefore, L is equal to 8 cm. Total surface area equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Here L is length of cuboid, B is breadth of cuboid and H is height of cuboid. So here L is 8 cm, height H is 4 cm and breadth is also equal to 4 cm. Therefore, TSA equal to 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. TSA equal to 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32. Therefore, total surface area is equal to 2 into 80, that is 160 square centimeter. Dear students, with this we have completed video lessons. Wish you all the best for your examination.